My stroke happened January 5th, 2017.
The Pulse study at UBC aims to understand how partners shape each other's health behaviors after a stroke and how they contribute to each other's health.
I said that's a perfect fit for us because we're both involved.
Through the study, I realized how important it is, the exercise.
The UBC researchers train the participants in the use of tablet computers.
I've never used any of those high-tech things. Our instruction was really simple. They made it very easy.
Couples can choose to keep one tablet as reimbursement after completing the study.
I would recommend this study to everyone who had a stroke.
And plus it's fun, and you do want fun.
Couples with at least one partner being a stroke survivor from all across British Columbia are invited to participate. For more information, call 604-822-3549.